Hey guys, this is Zevin from DMC. Now in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can blur the background of your Google Meet. Okay, so for those of you, if you are joining in some Google Meets meeting and thinking of how to have the blur effect, in this video, I'll be sharing with you the step-by-steps. So let's check out our video. Now, if currently you are attending Google Meet meeting and thinking of how to blur the backgrounds of, blur your existing background, right? Currently, if you can see my screen, I'm having a background at my home office, yeah? So some of you might not want to show exactly the background, yeah, of where you are right now. So you prefer to have a sort of like a blur background over right here. So how do we do this? Yeah, the step is actually very easy. So if you can see on the bottom right here, there's this more option. You can just click on this, and we are going to click under change background. Okay, and you'll be able to see these two little icons right here. One is slightly blur, the other one is blur. Okay, so meaning to say these ones, the effect is actually lighter. So I will use these first, yeah. So once you click, you can see that, hey, the background is already having the blur kind of like effect, right? But you can still roughly see the item behind me, right? So if I change to the right hand side here, this is the one that you can see, yeah. The effect is actually more and it's actually better. So, the audience won't be able to see exactly the backgrounds of your, during your meeting. Okay. For those of you, if you're thinking to change the background to a virtual background, yeah, you can actually check through all the images below. Some of the images is actually given by Google. Yeah. So some of the home office, pictures like these, you can actually change it to virtual background as well. Yeah. And if you would like to have like some kind of background like this, yeah, a custom made kind of like logo, or you can design something like this, right? You can actually check out my other video where I share with you how you can actually change the virtual background like this, yeah? So meanwhile, in this video, I would just like to share with you guys on how you can easily blur the backgrounds in your Google Meet meeting, okay? By just clicking on the small little icons over right here. So very fast, very quick. Just a recap, you can just go to the bottom right corner of the more option, and we are going to go under the change background, and that's it. These little two icons will allow you to adjust the blur, the level of the blurriness. Yeah. So that's all in this video. You can leave a comment below if you have successfully changed your background of your Google Meet to the blur effect. Yeah, if you like our video, remember to help us like and share. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.